Myself, Gaurav Singh, and I'll be presenting a 2-credit course on the environmental geology that will run for 8 weeks, and this course is suitable for the undergraduate students from various disciplines like geology, like biological sciences, earth sciences, even geography, and other allied sciences in which the student feels that they can do something better, learning about the environment and some basic aspects about the environment as well. We'll be providing an opportunity for you to see the videos, to learn the write-ups that will be provided in that. And meanwhile, we will have the live sessions, we'll be having the question answer sessions as well. If you have any doubts, if you have any queries, you can ask. Therefore, I request you to share the course with many of your friends through the social media platform. You can encourage yourself as well as your friends and other known people to register and enroll in this course, which will be, in my opinion, we have tried our best to give an opportunity to learn about the environmental geology and environmental science for the people from geology and the other disciplines. Thank you.